Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video. Today our topic is adjectives. Today let us learn about adjectives or describing words. It means adjectives are also known as describing words. Children, as I have told you that adjectives are describing words. Adjective can describe the way something looks, tastes, smells, feels, or sounds. Here we have some examples: cold milk, sweet gum, big boat, loud rocket, shiny boots. Color, shape, and size words are also adjectives. Here we have more examples: round ball, blue plane, small caterpillar. The words round, blue, and small are adjectives. Now we will learn more about adjectives with the help of some examples. She has the pink bowl. The word pink is an adjective. The word pink describes the color of the bowl. I see a big school bus. The word big is an adjective. The word big describes the size of the bus. I eat salty popcorn. The word salty is an adjective. The word salty describes how the popcorn tastes. That was a loud storm. The word loud is an adjective. The word loud describes how the storm sounds. I like my soft sweater. The word soft is an adjective, and the word soft describes how the sweater feels. I have a heavy backpack. The word heavy is an adjective. The word heavy describes how the backpack feels. You can find adjectives in sentences. Let's read the sentence below. I have a long scarf. The word long is an adjective. Can you find the adjective? I will eat the sweet apple. The word sweet is an adjective. My cat has fluffy fur. The word fluffy is an adjective. Thanks for watching.